Well, McCoy is providing breakfast this morning. Sometimes when I need a discount on parts, I just come here at night and hope they have a machine I could maybe get some from. Well, I don't have a front end loader like that, but boy, that's a pretty nice one. Let's see. I need a starter, a couple batteries. I'm kidding. Gotta go get some parts. Well, sometimes you look under the Christmas tree. Sometimes you look under the Hitachi. Well, look at that! A Christmas present for me. Sweet! They don't even put an engine easy anymore. I don't know where the squirrels live. Under that. Radar said I had to give him some credit in the video. Radar's a mechanic for road machinery. Just swung in and said hello. Well, I might as well throw Bernie Sanders away. I mean the old airbag.
I'm learning about logging herpes.
That's what everybody at the expo is doing. They're not out there.
Sawdust transmitted diseases. This is awesome.
What a lunatic, huh? I want a hat. Sure. Actually, Matthew wants a hat.
All right, give me the key. I'm going on.
Oh, I want one. Thank you, sir.
Good day.
Thanks for watching. That's what you're supposed to say. What, are you trying to take it from me? Doing the brake test on this, or also called the... Who should I pick on? Somebody. I was going to say somebody about leaving skid marks, but that probably isn't very nice, but it would have been funny in my brain. But I noticed this one wasn't sliding, but wait a minute, the inside one was. We have a low tire. That's why that one must not have been touching the ground. That's why I didn't leave a skid mark. Well, Hubert, the horse farmer, helping him work on his horse trailer. He said the brakes were hanging up, or Jill said they were hanging up. I don't think that's your brake.
They're going over top of the tire, and I'm going, well, I can hear something. I look down and I'm like,
yeah, she's bubbling like crazy. How come? It must be the water that's making it. I couldn't hear that before.
I couldn't either.
Now that you put that on there, it's very obvious.
I suppose the soap and...
We're hearing bubbles popping. The thousands it's making every second. Yeah.
So you think a guy could just break that bead and clean it up and put it right back on, or are we going to have to dismount it completely?
Yeah. We'll see when I get it apart. Yeah, she's definitely corroded. We're going to try this. We've never tried this before. Some bead sealer. So Swift just aired it up back in the cage. You know, the tire cage. If you guys don't use a tire cage, you should. Oh, Swift, this doesn't seem like it's leaking like it used to. What the heck? I see bubbles everywhere.
I think
that's a bubble.
I think it's good to go. It's not a continuous bubble.
So that F, that was actually, I wrote that on there because it was flat. As abbreviation for flat.
One of these, this tire's got a flat spot on it, and it's right down to the cords anyway.
You think this is why it keeps going low?
Well, yeah.
You think that's a nail?
I know it is.
Did you just hawk a loogie? You go to acid spit, it's eating that.
Mm-hmm.
You should dig that out of there and see what that is.
It's a nail.
Oh.
One of these tires got a bad flat spot on it. How about if I pull it ahead and I'm pretty sure it was.
Well, I was just about ready to pull the pin to put some new rubber on here, and Spiff went and found that nail.
Yeah, but that outside tire, you need to let me pull it ahead and you need to take a look at it. It needs to be changed anyway, don't they?
Yes. Somebody slid this tire. How come this tire doesn't have a matching? Yeah, that will not pass. Oh, I guess she's getting new shoes.
So in the tire shop, do they actually have a machine that does these then?
Told you this one would go.
It sounded like it worked. So that's the nail or whatever it is. I'm gonna show you the inside of the tire. It just barely made it through. Barely made it through my... Yeah, that's like a screw or a bolt or something. Nice screwdriver. Try this one. Don't laugh, but I took a grinder and ground down around this, whatever it is, bolt, screw, so I could get it out of there just to show you. Well, when they recap it, they're going to grind it down if it'll pass. Yep. Just a little 1/4-inch bolt. Little 10-cent bolt cost me, or us, quite a bit. Hooking up the low boy.
Like accidents or something from never sees or what?
Okay, so we were just prying or whatever, lifting. We replaced the inside wheel. We're putting that back together, but what happened was, is you see this, there's a brace on these things that go over the tire, and guess who smashed their finger? Yeah, see you smash their hand between the top of the tire and that rib. Ouch, that hurt. Yeah, it hurt right away. A little brake work on the low boy here. It's so hot and humid out here, even the air is sweating. Yeah. Took the grinder and took a little lip off the brake drum here. It wasn't worn very much, but I don't want it to hold water in the wintertime and freeze the brakes, so I just took that off there so it wouldn't hold water. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I did it.
He's alive.
Oh my god.
We gotta set him free. How'd he get trapped in there?
Yeah, baby bunny in the shop. In the cardboard recycling.
Oh, I bet you. Where should we take him?
It's raining outside. That is one funny looking hedgehog. Where there's one, there's a lot more. Wait a minute. It actually likes Ford synthetic blend motor oil? Oh, I waited long enough. The little boy's in the shade. Oh, there's a nice breeze out here too. Alright, time to put the brakes back together. Brake kit. Oh, there's an 888 number in the United States, and there's an 800 number in Canada? Well, that Skidder Kev always used 900 numbers.
Thanks for watching.
Have yourselves a great day.
Captain Tom says thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
And then when you put light behind it, anything that's the thinner, all the thin stuff is down deeper, and then the thicker, the dark stuff is. Now, although that looks like it's darker, that actually cannot be any darker than the thickness of the piece of plastic.